Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wing liner tutorial with you guys. You guys have been asking me for a tutorial on my wing liner, and here it is. I did used to use wing liner a lot back when I started doing makeup, but now I kind of like outgrew it. I do use it constantly still, but I do like my smoky eyes without a wing liner now. So I'm just going to be going into this NYC liquid liner, and first you do want to map out where you want your wing liner. Like me, I do have kind of a mono lid where I don't have like a very pronounced crease area, so I do have to go over my lid or else my little skin that drags down will cover the liner. So I kind of have to like place it a little bit lower than usual people. So first I'm just gonna be doing tight lining my upper waterline the closest as I can. This is what helps me most, just to get the best color payoff out of my liner. I do love this liquid liner. It's by NYC, but I am sorry that you can't buy it in the US anymore. You only can buy it in Canada. NYC did take off all their sections at Walmart, and I think it was Walgreens as well. And this is one of the last ones I have. So when I finish this, I kind of have to go on a hunt and look for a liquid liner that I actually like. So again, I'm just going to be going and building up that color on my inner part of my eye. I'm sorry about my saturation on my camera. I am using my iPhone and it just doesn't like my lights, so it's not working, but you still can see what I'm actually doing. And then I'm going to be grabbing a little bit more of that liquid liner, and then I'm going to be doing the tail of my wing liner. As you guys can tell, I didn't go so thick on my liner on my lid part, just because I do like to build up the intensity of it instead of just going in with a thick liner, because it's harder to take off than to add. And you guys can tell here, this is where I'm going to start thickening out my liner and adding a little bit more pressure on the brush. When you want to do a flick, obviously you do loosen your pressure of your hand, and then you do go in and fill in the little tail. As you guys can tell, I do have like a thick part right there, but I'm going to be going back into and thickening out the edge of my liner. So this is how one eyeliner looks like, one wing liner looks like on my eye. Now I'm going to be going into my other eye and doing the same thing. As you guys could tell, I am starting in the inner part of my eye and dragging it towards the outer part of my eye. But I'm starting really little first, and I do like to build it up like I did on my other eye and try to match it as possible as I can. Again, your wing liners are never going to be the same. There's going to be one longer than the other one. There's going to be one thicker than the other one. So if you try to match it more, you're just going to get it thicker and thicker and thicker and thicker. So just try to match it as close as you can, because your liners will never be the same. And once I'm done doing the top liner, I'm going to be going to creating the eye, the wing for the eye look. And then I do like to look at both of my eyes just to get it as similar as possible. And then I'm going to be dragging it into my other part of my liner and then just winging it out. So guys, here's the way it looks without lashes, my both wing liners. It's very easy. It just takes some patience and concentration to do it. This is the way both of them look. As you guys could tell, both of them are not the same. And here's what it looks once you apply lashes. Once you apply lashes, it does look a little bit more dramatic and a little bit different, but I like the way it looks either or. I hope you guys enjoy watching this tutorial. If you guys did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and leave me comments down below and what it is would you like to see next. Bye guys.